It's December and it's also the season to be jolly. My name's Arjun and welcome to another episode of Foodie the Feast. In today's episode, I've been invited by Mrs. Joyce D'Souza to her house for a traditional East Indian Christmas lunch. East Indians are known to be among the oldest settlers of Mumbai as it was known back then. Today, I'm out to explore their culture, their food, and how they celebrate their biggest festival, Christmas. Hi.
Hi.
Are you Joyce auntie?
Laura.
Hi, I'm Arjun. So will you take me to Joyce auntie? Hi Joyce auntie.
Hi. Yes. Oh, nice to
Thank
meet
you
you
so
too.
much.
Welcome, welcome.
So guys, this is the real Joyce auntie and that was her lovely granddaughter Nora. I can see a big chula here. Yeah. So what are we making today?
Today we are making a typical East Indian mutton masala.
So what is the secret to the East Indian mutton masala?
The bottle masala. The masala that I make has 27 ingredients.
No ways. 27 ingredients.
See, there are 3 types of chilies.
Okay.
Cardamom, cinnamon, pepper,
Okay.
hing,
That just
chana
goes
dal,
on.
little wheat. Yeah.
I don't think we'll get to all 27, but that's a lot of masalas and I'm sure it tastes like nothing I've had before. Oh wow. So I'm actually helping auntie in a very important part, which is just putting the water in the mutton. That's it?
Okay. This is not pressure cooked.
Okay.
It's being cooked on the chula.
Yeah.
So it will take time.
As they say, all good things take time.
So be patient and be a good boy till then.
Mama Mary, bless everyone that who all are gathered here, that we are celebrating Christmas here, and that may your love and goodness may fill in our lives. Amen.
And now that set the tone for our Christmas celebration. Is this what you usually have for a Christmas spread?
This was typically the food had in ancient, olden days, like 60 years, 70 years ago. These are the varias.
Okay.
This is made with rice and urud dal.
It looks like a mini
Medu
vada, but it has rice flour.
Yeah,
which
it's
is
different in taste.
And it's called something else.
Vada, bokache vade or vada.
So I think we've begun on a very good note, auntie.
Thank you.
So auntie, after the vadas, what am I having next?
You're having chitap or
Chitap.
or
Okay.
pola.
Pola.
Yeah.
Oh, this is... I've been seeing this for a while. What is chitap made of?
Chitap is made of rice and methi. We grind it together. When there are weddings, they make about 100, 150, 175 kilos worth.
Wow, so this is something really amazing.
So you have to remember everybody and send it to everyone. This is the curry you were waiting for, mutton curry.
Oh, finally.
And the special bottle masala.
Look at the color. It's fantastic. Going straight in for the mutton. It is fantastic.
This is again our very authentic family dish. It is called haldi chicken or garam masala chicken or tikka chicken, and it's prepared during Christmas.
So I'm trying another Christmas special. I could taste the haldi, and towards the end I could literally get the garam masala.
Because the garam masala is put after the chicken is cooked. Next I'm giving you pork vindaloo. This is the dish we have got from the Portuguese, because the British and the Portuguese have ruled over Vasai. And that's how we have got this, and Goa also has got the similarity.
So wow, this has been so good. I'm gonna finish this. I'll take a while because I'm gonna eat more.
We don't end the party without a sing song or a dance.
Oh, how nice.